Hey everyone, this is the one refrigerator that I bought from DirectLink, and this is the other one that I bought from DirectLink. They're both stainless steel, but this one's called stainless steel monochrome. And I bought this smaller one. It's got a top mount freezer and refrigerator at the bottom. Getting cold. They both work. Ouch. Damn. Pinched my finger. Because it's getting cold in here. See, and the only reason why that I had listed 3 refrigerators is because I had 3 refrigerators. I replaced all 3 of them. I replaced the side-by-side with ice and water. And then I replaced the one side-by-side with a smaller refrigerator, because didn't need 2 big refrigerators. And this one is a Whirlpool brand. That makes a difference. Oh yeah. Because it's getting cold in here. It's just, I was trying to figure out how to do that, because this is an adjustment to have some of the air go down in the freezer or the refrigerator part. So let's see if that makes a difference. Oh yeah. So that blows more air. Right about there. Should be good. This has a connection for ice, but I'm not going to put an ice maker on it. Don't really need to. So now that should... Oh yeah, that feels better. And all I did was adjust it a little bit. Because what happened was I told him I wanted it delivered in the garage, and it was supposed to be just a drop-off fee of $25. Like they did with the side-by-side. Well, then they charged me a full $107, and then I called them up, and then she talked to the delivery guys and found out that it was dropped off in the garage. So she gave me the full delivery fee refunded back to me of $107. She goes, instead of paying the $25, she said, since there was miscommunication, she said, we'll just give you the full amount for your delivery fee. So I replaced all 3 refrigerators. 2 big ones and 1 small one. And really I didn't need another side-by-side. 1 side-by-side's good enough. Because now we got this one and then that smaller one. This one's by Whirlpool, the other one's by Frigidaire. Oh yeah, that made a difference. Because I want to let this run for a little bit to make sure it gets real cold. Because I know this Frigidaire one does. It gets really cold. And this is a nice unit. Altogether for these two refrigerators, it was $1,300 for these two refrigerators. And Allstate gave me $2,100, so I got over like $600 left over when I bought those two refrigerators. So because as you see, this one is a whirlpool and the other one is a Frigidaire. And now the garage door closed. And I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.